One of the things I love most about the Hinman Dental Meeting is the incredible sense of connection it creates among dental professionals. There are so many opportunities to meet up with people, whether we're exploring the exhibit hall, attending CE lectures, or just walking around. I'm always running into old friends and new friends. And let's talk about Hinman Night Out. It is so fun. You bring the entire meeting together for one big party, and it is a blast. Ultimately, what makes Hinman really unique is a combination of world-class CE and true, genuine Southern hospitality. When you bring together thousands of dental professionals in a vibrant city like Atlanta, you create something really special.
Each meeting takes 3 years in the planning. A group of us get together of colleagues. We travel the nation, trying to find the best speakers that are out there. Quality education is our goal. Continuing education is the purpose of the Hinman Dental Meeting every year. Not only lectures in the classroom, but also hands-on participation courses. I think we have some of the best, the latest technology with the best speakers.
The exhibit hall is one of my favorite parts of the Hinman Dental Meeting. It allows the opportunity to explore, discover, and learn new innovations. Many of the exhibitors at Hinman are truly on the cutting edge of dental technology, and the Hinman exhibit team works hard to ensure that the companies represented reflect the same high standards and spirit that define the meeting. What started in 1942 with just 14 exhibitors has grown into an impressive exhibit hall featuring more than 300 exhibitors today.
Our reason for being is dental education. Over the last 30 years, we've given $12 million in scholarships to dental schools, hygiene schools, and assisting schools. Our goal is attention to detail paired with Southern hospitality, professionals serving professionals.